Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Hope so you all are fine. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present a new video which is related to the computer. So I am going to represent it on the demand of few viewers, that how to work on mobile with computer application Microsoft Word. So first of all, you have to install the Microsoft Word in your mobile. For this purpose, you have to go on Play Store in your mobile. Click on Play Store. Write down on search bar Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word. After that, click on Install. I have already installed in my mobile, so I am going to open it. When you installed Microsoft Office and you open it, there is a page like this. After that you have to create a new document, so you have to go on the plus sign which is on the top of blue bar. Click on that and here is a blank document. Click on it. After that you have to do writing on it. First of all, you have to go on home page, select the writing style, which language you want to select, so what type of writing you want. After that, you have to select font size on your choice. After that, there is a feature of bold, italic, underline, and there is a highlight color, how to highlight the words or sentence in your documents. After that, you have to select font color. There are bullets. After that, you have to choose numbering in subheadings or points. Here are alignments: right, left, center, justify. These are the alignments. Which kind of text you want to set, you have to set the alignments. If you want to write, you have to select the right alignment. After that, you have to start writing just like that. I am going to start writing on the screen that my name is Nigat Sultana. The writing style or font size or underline, if you want to change it, you have to select like this. Click on the first letter before the first letter and select these. After that, you have to change it from the writing style, bullet, underline, which type of work you want to change. You have to do that process on it. Second one is, this is the form how you type the text on Word. After that, if you want to insert a picture on your document, for inserting a picture in your document, you have to select the option Insert. In this, you have seen many words, so you have to open the pictures. If you have downloaded that picture, go to the downloads and select the picture which you want. If you want to crop it, then you use the option crop, but I have no need to crop it. I will confirm, then done, and it will become in my page. After that, I want to select the size of the picture. In this form, I will select the size. If you want to highlight or picture's boundary, its background is white, so I am going to select outline black, which is highlight the picture or it may be visible on the page like this. There is a shadow. If you want the shadow of the picture, you have to select from here. After that, if you want to select the reflection of the picture, you choose different reflections are here. In this form, you will see that there is a reflection of the picture. Sorry. After that, you have to choose the text, or you want to remove it, or by mistake you have selected and removed it and all of your work is gone. So you have to no worry, because there is an option of undo. On the home page line, you have seen an arrow. If you click that arrow, your work will reappear on your page. After that, I am going to tell you that how to go in the next page. Click on like blue arrow button at the end of my page. In this form you will go on the next, and if I want to insert a table, go to insert and insert a table. Column and rows you will choose according to your own choice. I want to choose 2 columns and 3 rows, so I will delete 1 column from here. Increase the size of the table. You have to click the arrows at the corner. In this form you will increase the size of the column and rows. After that, you have to select the style and shape of the cell. If you want to merge cell, you have to select the cell and click on the option merge. Or you have the style, table style, which type of table you want, like border highlight, middle lines highlight. Every type of styles are here which you want. You have to click on that. In this form, this page will be appear after selecting the table style. Also alignment. When you are writing the text in the table, you have to select the alignments. Left, right, justify, center, all these things. Click on the box and start writing which you think want to write. Like I am going to explain, that's why I am writing here number. To go in the next line, click on the arrow button or enter button and type the number. In the next column, if you want to go and write something, click on that. I write final and the final marks. In this form, your table will be created. If you want to change the writing style, you have to select it, bold, italic, underline, font size, whichever you want, you have to make the change on it. After that, you have to complete your table in this form on your Word page on mobile. If you want to write something on the next line, you have to click on the next line of the table and you have to write the things which you want to do. Or if you are going to write or draw something with mouse button or touch button, click on the write with mouse or touch button. You have to click on that and choose the color. In this form you will write whatever you want. Okay, after that, if you want to do anything like page layout, you have to select margin will be normal, orientation of the page, horizontal form or in the vertical form. Size of the page, we normally use A4 size, so here we select A4 size. Columns, if you want to write in the column form, you have to select column. Page break will be line will be appear after one page or next page. There is another view of review. You have to check the spelling and all the work you have written on this. In this form you have to review of your work and view. This way you will see your mobile view, print layout, zoom in, zoom out. In this form you will have to see your work. Last one is that how to save your document in your mobile. For this feature you have to go on the top 3 dots which are on the top side of my mobile with arrow. Click on it, save as, share. I want to save as. After that I will select the place from where I want to save this document. So I click on this device, document, and rewrite the name of the document, which document I am going to save, which is helpful to you to recognize the document or find it easily. So I am going to here write the computer lecture. Now I will save this document with computer lecture, and after writing this name I will click on save button and my document is saved. You have to click on the top tick button and this document writing will be automatically saved in the mobile. After that you have to click on arrow to move back. Here is your work, computer lecture. Hope so it will help you to know how to write and work on computer on your mobile. It is I think so helpful for you. If you want more information about this application in mobile, you will ask me in the comments. I will inshallah help you. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and family members. It will be an helpful for those who don't know how to work on computer. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.